Hello, everybody. How are you doing, guys, today? Welcome one more time to Bitbrother Crypto, place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day. Cryptocurrency is still a good investment, something that you should be investing your money. Well, today, me and Papa, we have a nice show for you. Talking about the market, everything is going a little bit still in red. I think we're still seeing some reflex in other projects because of Luna. But before anything, if it's your first time to the channel, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel because like this, you help the BitBrothers, grow our community, grow our channel, follow us on Twitter, Papa BitBrother and Casquinha Crypto. Let me open here. As you can see here, Bitcoin literally just went under 29K. Ethereum here at 2,000. And we can see, let's see the gains. So in greens, we have some, the eCash here, it's 12% up. Kusama, caracas, Kusama at $83. Remember, let's just go to Kusama here. It's up 11%. And if we go to the all charts, if we see the all-time high of Kusama is $594. And now it's sitting at $82. Wow. Monero, 171. Canva, Cosmo, the Creeds, Pancake Swap going up 2%. Cardano, 0.2%. Is sitting at 57 cents. KuCoin, $13. And the weakest link are, of course, guys, I'm not even going to mention anymore Terra and Luna because I think that's it. Finish. Dash at $57. Gala. I see Gala as maybe for the next bull run, Gala to be a very good project to look into it, to study a little bit more, to see if it's a good opportunity to get in. Celo, Helium, there's a lot of projects in the last week of the last 7 days, more than 20, 29, 30% down. I've $83 and 28% down in the last 7 days. Stack, 56 cents. Even Steppen, that was doing very good as soon as it launched, but today it's at 36% down from the beginning of the week on the last 7 days. Harmony down, Phantom down, 42% in the last 7 days. VeChain also down, Decentraland. So ape coins, everything. Guys, as you can see within the market here, we are in a bear market. Another $1 billion left the market, over $1 billion, maybe 20 billion, because at the moment it's at 1,279,864,311. Remember, when we are close to the all-time high, this should be double. We should be over 2 trillions or closer to a $3 trillion here, and we are not. So this is regarding the markets. Let's close here because Pop is back. So guys, yeah, things are very, very bearish at the moment. So there's not much things happen. But you need to be conscious and aware. And the way to do that is to study and understanding the projects that you guys want to jump in. That's very important. Let me just talk a little bit about post-chain here. So Papa can close the show today, so I don't need to go back. Yesterday, let's put here Richard Hart. For everybody who followed the channel and follow the post-chain project that we are doing, where is it? Where is it? Yesterday, Richard Hart have posted post-chain news. This week, I should have a better idea when we can launch. I'm waiting for input from the devs. Yeah, I know it's middle May already. So this week, guys, we will know when exactly date or potentially when it's going to be launched. I believe it's going to be, of course, before the end of the month, but maybe this week. So at some point this week, we just need to keep your eyes to it. Again, guys, it's a software, you know. I'll rather wait a little bit to come out the project to be ready, to be 100% working, 100% flying, 100% good with the support of the community in order for the project to be launched. You know, there's no point in launch a project just because of the excitement of the community if the project is not 100% you know, done. So balance check, everything should be up and running very good. So I guess there's some small details to be fixed. Again, it's a software, so it should do with codes and stuff like this. So it have to be 100% ready to launch. And I agree with the wait. So wait a little bit. I mean, we waited until now. Another week or so is not going to be the end of the day. So keep your eyes open because post-chain, it's launching soon. And follow us on Twitter. Follow here, Casquinha Crypto and Papa BitBrother in order for you to get more information when it's coming out on the post-chain network. Plus other projects that we are sharing or showing on our Twitter, myself and Papa, okay? From me is that. Papa, welcome.
Hello, guys. Papa BitBrother here with you once again. Sorry, this next couple of weeks going to be crazy. As you know, I'm moving back to Brazil. And I just said to Cascas, like, I've been canceling bills, like finalizing bills to live from the flat. And yeah, it's been a bit crazy. So sorry, I apologize for that. But of course, you know, you're in good hands with Casca. So guys, just wanted to go quickly what the guys who are really deep into, not that we are not, but these guys are like proper researchers. And also what happened is like they have the contacts. What me and Casca always says is that what we want to do, we want to build a community and we want to be so long into the market that we also have good connections. We also have people who are deep into projects that they can directly contact us and explain to us. Because for us, sometimes it's really hard because we just, there's so much going on. And, you know, we're not ready to niche. We're not ready to go for one project and start deep into it, okay? Because also, you know, it will take like all your life, really, isn't it? And we, at the moment, we're not, you know, kind of living off crypto. So the day we do, then yeah, it'll be easy to do that. Just focus 100% and going deep into projects and truly study projects. That's what we're looking for. But that's why we need your support. So share the content, subscribe to the channel, send, you know, press the notification bell, leave the comments. Is very important as well, guys, for the algorithm. Yeah, even if you say hello, like Brasileiro living in Greece, he just say hello every time. It's very nice that you just say hello or where you from, or, you know, just so the algorithm sees that you guys are interacting with us. And again, so that's why it's important to keep an eye on these guys who are living off crypto at the moment. Their life is to stud crypto because also they have a famous YouTube channel, or maybe they're like, you know, developers of a project, and so they know a lot of people who are very influential on the market. Okay. And again, so what we want to do is this: create a community where eventually we're going to be well known and people will get in touch with us, and then of course we learn more by getting in touch with the right people. Okay, right connections. We're looking for the right connections as well. So that's why we're giving our best to you guys. Okay. So basically, Don Kwon has finally broke his silence, announcing this is Miles Dutcher saying about the Luna. Casca said he's tired of saying and things about Luna and it's finished. But it's the best reflection, the best wake up call for every person in the crypto market. This was the best wake up call. I was like I said to you, I saw my Luna going to 120 and go all the way down to zero. I saw it, and all all the Luna I had, which wasn't much, but it still was. It was what's it's a good amount of money if you take profit. It's like devastating to see all your profits going away and all the project disappear. So it was a big wake up call. Like everybody says that more than ever, do not 100% trust any project on cryptocurrency, guys. Yeah, do not even nowadays if you take Solana, how strong Solana is, or Ethereum and or Bitcoin, they're not 100% safe proof, okay, yet they're not. So anything can happen. So be sure that you have your taking profit strategy in play whenever you can. Be sure that you can have a variety of projects that you trust. Do not spread too much as well if you're not fully into crypto, because this can happen. Okay, so but like I said, guys, there's two ways of seeing this, right? So if you spread a lot and put a little bit in each pot, and the one project goes really well, and then you probably make really good. So there's two ways of seeing. Or you just keep with the layer ones, the strongest project, and don't put a lot of money as well. There's these ways of seeing as well, because we keep saying you could go to, let's say, you could go like this. Okay, I'm going to invest in 5 projects in DeFi. I'm going to invest in 5 gaming projects. I'm going to invest in 5 projects on the on the multiverse. Now, multiverse, I forgot how do you say that. Is the metaverse? Sorry, I have multiverse. So basically, you could go into categories here and choose 2, 3, 4, 5 projects in each category and invest your money, the strongest one you think. And probably it's a good way of diversify. Okay, of course, please read from a little bit, at least research a little bit from each comment. The best thing that each project that you can go here, guys. For example, I want to go, like, you can go to CoinMarketCap and go categories, and each project there's the website explaining what they're doing. So you go there, choose like the first five ones that you think, maybe even like the first 5 projects that you see, and then you can see here hospitality, retail, tourism, e-commerce, move to earn, bounce, launchpad, health. There's so much going on. Bluezilla is like launch pads, and then you could go from NFT, then you go metaverse, or you could choose one project in each chain as well. So there's a few ways of spreading, so you safer. And because if one project goes down from the ecosystem, all the other projects goes down. See, so you have to spread, not so thin, but in one way that you're not going to lose much if one ecosystem goes down. Okay, and then he explained here my thoughts and concerns regarding Luna 2.0. Don't want to announce an ecosystem revival plan which aims to pave the way for a viable L1 ecosystem. It's underpinned by the thesis that Terra possesses a vibrant developer ecosystem and strong brand recognition. This acknowledges the fact that UST and Luna in their current form are dead. Do is proposing to reconstruct the chain in order to preserve the developers and ecosystem. This means Terra is pivoting to a full-fledged L1 like AVAX and Sol, etc. But what happened here? Here are the major questions around this redemption. Firstly, how will VCs and funds react to this proposal? Is it feasible that they reinvest in a project they got burned by? This is the list of the known Luna backers, some very big names. Look at that, guys. Galaxy Digital, Hashkey, Huobi Capital, all the ones that were invested, guys, all of these guys were toasted. So that's crazy. So these funds may find it challenging to convince their investors to back the most famous crypto failure of all time across both the crypto space and traditional finance. This event got worldwide coverage and was the talk of the town in financial circles. Okay, so it's crazy. So Then you have to ask question of community. Yes, the Terra community is one of the biggest in crypto, but the truth has been broken. The success of a project relies on the trust and dedication of the community. Think ETH, XRP, and Sol. Okay, so guys, then he explains here what he thinks, and yeah, so if you want to go into this, so you can understand really what happened in the case of Luna going down, and open your eyes for any other projects, it's there. Follow Miles Dutcher there. It's going to be very
Oh,
great.
Papa,
Oi.
regarding this, and that's why we always advise people. We always advise people to do their own research. And when we say this, guys, make sure that you do your own research. It's not that we also don't believe on the project. It's because when we say, it's to encourage you to understand where you are also deploying your money. The money is yours. If you lose, you lose. Okay, it's your money. You're gonna lose the money. Maybe most of the time we bring projects here, or because we believe that the projects have a potential to grow, but maybe we also gonna get wrecked, because it's like Luna, for example. We all believed that Luna would succeed. We didn't know. We are telling people, yeah, how many times we said here in the channel, what's the project we should be investing money now in order to be here with the next 5 years? We all, not even 1%, I believe 99% of the people in the cryptocurrency space said Luna gonna be here in the next 5 years. So is the time to buy now, to buy. So we all said this. We didn't expect it was going to fall. So that's why you always need to do your research and be aware of what's happening. Because if you realize, another thing, and you need to don't be afraid to take profit. So you got in a project, make sure that you, as the project start to go up and higher on the chart, you start to take your profit until you take all your investment out. That's what I learned from the Luna fiasco. Taking your money, at least your investments, that is the money you put in, out. And then after, you can take more risk. I'm going to leave it here, because if I lose, like me and Papa, we were investing on the project the other day, and we said, no, it's okay if we lose everything here, because this is profit from other projects. It's not our money in the end of the day. It's something that it came because of this, and we are taking profit along the way. So you need to think of this, and how you're going to take decisions in where to invest, and if the things that you heard from us, or from other YouTubes, or from other videos, or from your own research. Because when you do your research, you're also going to have enough understanding, enough knowledge for you to be able to take the decision to say, yes, I'm going to put my money here. No, I'm not going to put my money here. So whenever we bring you content, whenever you see me, Papa Legua, either shilling you a coin, a token, a project, is because us, checked the project. We believe that the projects have potential to grow, or to make you good gain. It doesn't mean it will. Maybe I will get wrecked, and so if you just follow me blind. So you don't follow us or anybody blind. You check, you get all the information that we bring, and you go to research more and more. Why? Because in the end of the day, you're investing your money. And that's very important, because that's exactly what we do. Guys, we are telling you here the things that we do ourselves. We also search for other content. We always go into the projects. We always go in the community. We are always also there, asking, speaking, checking. And if we believe, oh, this is quite good, let's try. But it doesn't mean we'll work 100%. That's what I learned from the Luna fiasco. That's what I learned. Okay, sorry, Papa, to jump in there, but I thought it was necessary.
Oh, good, my brother. So yeah, guys, like we are very concerned for you guys, as we are concerned for our well-being. And yeah, so like this is the time for us to be calm and try our best to accumulate. Like this is the time where probably we can change our lives with not so much as well. This is the good thing about now, guys. We are finding prices like Casca just showed you, Ave. It's prices of 2 years ago when everything was super low. Okay. And so, and if you go there, I just showed Casca today the coins of the week, let's say like this, Flow. Yeah, I saw an article I was trying to find here, I couldn't find today, but anyway, Flow, it keeps raising a lot of money for its ecosystem. Now that everything's down, it's raising almost $1 billion. Like in the past, I don't know, 2 months, maybe more than $1 billion now. You know, it's raising. How can this project raise so much money and still worth so little? You know, and then Casca just showed me Flow was like from, I think today's at $2, Casca. Let me put here, find here for you, Flow.
256.
So is that 256? And what's the all-time high again? Do you have
37, I think. 37.
256, and the all-time high was $37, guys. That's, you know, like this 15x right there. Just so if you get a coin now and you research a little bit about the project, and the project reached its all-time high. But of course, if the project reached all-time high while Bitcoin was like, I don't know, 60, imagine how much this project can go if Bitcoin goes to 100. Yeah. So if we compare in percentage, yeah, so now it's, let's see, it's 2. I'm here with the graphic. Can you guys see? Tá mostrando aí, Casca?
No, let me put you.
So yeah, the old time here is like, oh man, it's like 39.
Oh, no, it's not showing. You need to show if you want to show. Let's showing now.
Okay. So you see, guys, it's the all-time high of Flow 282 at the moment, and the all-time high, it's, look at this, $39. That's crazy. 20x, really. 20x, almost 20x. So only by researching a project that you believe. I said to Casca, the way this is going, guys, is I think this is going to be the next Luna in terms of like reward. Of course, if you take your profits and don't let go to zero, but because this is not correlated to a stable coin. So this is a project that could be pretty much like Solana or Avalanche as well. Okay, so yeah,
it's better to use another name to compare.
Yeah, because Luna wasn't good call, sorry. But yeah, Avalanche or Solana, really, because they're investing so much money now, and you can see that the price is still going down, although they're having so much investment being put into the project, you know. So Flow is a fast, decentralized, and developer-friendly blockchain designed as the foundation for a new generation of games, apps, and the digital assets that power them. Flow is the only layer 1 blockchain originally created by a team that has consistently delivered great consumer blockchain experience, CryptoKitties, Dapper Wallet, NBA Top Shot. So, you know, these are the team who created that. Yeah, I think these guys here, they're ones that did the NFT project, right? That became quite good. CryptoKitties and Dapper Wallet, NBA as well, Top Shot and stuff. So yeah, you know, it's a project to keep an eye on it. Yeah, because like I said, if you found Luna at 12, I don't know why I'm keep going back to Luna anyway, because I've been seeing so much analytics from Luna, it's like it's in my head anyway. Sorry, but if you found, like, I don't know, imagine if you found Solana at $2, guys.
If it's like Luna, don't go for it, guys.
Yeah, but it could be Solana, right? It could be the next Solana, the next AVAX, and you could be catching the next Solana, the next AVAX for a $2 price, 282. Okay, that's how could go. How could go work out for you. So let's see what TechDev says. December 2021, I was still hoping for a second leg of the bull market, but in Q1 2021, it became clear that this Bitcoin bull market was over. We entered a bear market since April 2021 peak. Yes, all-time high was November 2021, but he says that the first peak will already start to go in the bear market, really. Now we're creating a bottom. Then a new bull market will start, Bitcoin cycles. So just hang here, because these are the Bitcoin cycles. Oh, January 2009 to December 2020 coins are in profit. That's 11.4 million of the all 19 billion Bitcoin, 60%. Average price 9,000, guys. So the average price of the 11.4 million Bitcoin is $9,000. That's insane. 93% of the sellers in May were January from April 2002 buyers. So basically, people who bought from January last year to April this year are the ones that sold most Bitcoins. So people who bought prior that, they didn't sell it. You can see. So people who are longer in a market, guys, they do not sell. Why? Because they understand this craziness that can happen in Bitcoin. So they also probably are the investors who are already in profit. It doesn't matter how low this. Imagine if you bought a 9,000, guys, at average price, would you care go to 20? Would you care go to 15? No, you wouldn't care. Unless you really needed the money. Even so, if you needed the money at 15 and you sell at 15, you still have 6,000 profit. So it's crazy, And then let's say you have an average of 5 years invested. It's almost $1,000 a year for a $9,000 investment. It's super good. It's amazing, So yeah, lessons. Hold Bitcoin longer than 2-3 years. You see, I didn't even read that, but now don't invest more than you can handle with minus 50% unrealized loss. You see, so very good advice there from Plan B. The last one, guys, I wanted to say is this one, the whale map. Good old bubbles are doing it again. The whale map shows when the whales bought. Okay, guys, when the whales buy. So the little bubbles is when they buy and how much they buy. So you can see how big these bubbles were here. Yeah, because these bubbles is where they thought was the bottom, guys. Every time there's a big bubble is where they thought was the bottom. You can see here they kind of went for this as well, which is probably like, I don't know, 20 something thousand here. But look at this, the big bubble at 20 to 30, 29 980 to 30,078. So the 1,000 difference here from 29 to 30,000. Look how big the waves are accumulating, guys. This is super bullish. And again, going back to Plan B, who's selling? The new investors. So again, if you are here and if you're following us, you probably are a new investor. So be aware that if you're selling for the big fish. Okay, so please be safe, guys, now, and hold on tight. Yeah, that's what we have to say for you today. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you very much. Casca, do you have anything else you want to add?
Nope, all is good, guys. Keep safe out there. Be careful. And yeah, what else we have?
Heinz is
Crypto
saying
Holding.
hello, my man. Heinz Crypto.
We met Heinz on the post-pot project. Yeah, that's it, Papa. Anything else?
Casca did a video on his channel as well on the post-pot. So if you want to know what is it, go to his channel. Again, never financial advice. Okay, don't take
never financial advice, please.
Yes.
Remember to do your own research and check us out on Twitter. All the links are on Twitter and stuff like this. Okay, guys, we see you soon. Tomorrow we have another live, and from next week I'm gonna do for 1 week. I'm gonna do the live by myself. Papa is moving back to Brazil, so he's gonna be very busy doing a lot of work moving, and yeah, and that's it. So I will see you guys either on the next video or on the next live. Ciao!